Hello guys, what's up and welcome back to Ayaba Creation. So it's a short video today. I'm here to tell you all about our branded tags. Okay, so this is how they come. You can get in rectangular form and then also circular shape. Okay, so it's available in gold and silver. All right, and then there is a rubber covering the surface so that this is just to prevent the surface from peeling. Okay, so far what we've been able to work with is in silver and gold, and these are branded tags. So if you have a business you want to rebrand, you can use these tags to make your brand identifiable. So the back of the tag looks like this. So the video in the middle is showing you how the back looks like. So the design is imprinted at the back and then it shows in front just like this. So if you have a logo that you want to use for the branded tag, you can also use it. Okay, and these are different font sizes that people requested for. So there is this one client that wanted to add her telephone number to the tag. So as you can see, it's also an option for you. So you can call or WhatsApp the number on your screen. That's +233554524624682 to make inquiries and pitches, or you can text us on Instagram. You can reach us out Ayaba Store on Instagram, Ayaba Store on TikTok. Okay, so apart from using it for branded tags for bags, you can also use it as souvenirs. So maybe for your birthday celebration, a party, whatever naming ceremony, these tags can also be used. Alright, I hope this short video helps. Thanks, bye.